Good morning, everybody. My name is Megan Landry, and I'm going to be your instructor for the Medical Administrative Assistant 1 class that you're taking through Augusta Adult Ed. And I'm super excited to start this. I've been working with Augusta Adult Ed to get this program going for about the last year, so we're really excited to finally get this launched. I believe this is their first completely online program, so something very new and interesting that provides a lot of really provides something that people might not have the opportunity to take if it wasn't online. So it's really exciting for everybody. So I just wanted to take a moment and talk about what you'll see and kind of help you start to navigate around. You're going to get these videos every week from me about what you'll see in the course and what's going on. So I will tell you that the program that we're using is something new, and it's called Brightspace. It is new to me as well, so we may be learning together as we go through this. I've built the course that you're looking at in the Brightspace program, but it's still relatively new. I'm used to many other ones, so I'm sure it'll be easy enough, but we'll kind of experience this together. So just to walk you through, you probably have gotten to this part of the page so far. Your purple bar up here probably looks a little different than mine. This is the instructor view, so just keep that in mind. Up here you will see if you have a message or an email, it'll be kind of a little number there, so you want to keep an eye on that. And then as we scroll down, this part here where it says My Course Content, that's going to look different. That'll just have the modules that are open to you, what you've recently visited, what you've bookmarked. That will be there for you. On the right hand side will be the upcoming events, so the due dates will be there for you. And at the bottom here is going to be this latest post thing, and that is where, like, if I have an update on something, and there'll be a fair amount of stuff here, there's always some update or announcement is what it's called in some other systems that you'll see. So make sure you're always checking this latest post activity feed because it's important that you see what's going on there. And as you continue to scroll down, you'll see my standard instructor profile. So then from there, what you want to do is you probably have something that says content. You want to click on that. And again, mine's going to look a little different than yours. The first thing you want to start at, you're going to kind of work from top to bottom here on the left-hand side, so it's pretty straightforward in that way, is the overview. The overview is important because it has the course description, but more importantly, it has what we call a syllabus. And the syllabus is kind of like the rule book or guidebook of any class you take. So it's really important that you read it, that you understand it, that you let me know if you have any questions about it. I see a typo, I will fix that. And that you kind of keep an eye on that. That's always going to be important when you're taking a class. So from there, after the overview, you're going to come down to this week, which is Module 1. And in this class, the modules will go by the weeks. So the first week is going to be Module 1, which is just a welcome and an introduction. And if you scroll down here, you're going to see the lists of activities, and every week is going to be different. This week, all you have to do is a discussion. So if you click on here, you will see that I've asked you some questions just to introduce yourself. And I did the same thing. I started it down here. I introduced myself, and you can reply to me and you can make your own post. So that's a little bit about this week. That's all you need to do this week. And I will come back with another video for next week. If you're anxious to get going, it is open. You can take a look at that. If you want to start the reading, you can go ahead and look at Module 2. But for this week, no panic, no worries. It's easy going. Send me all the questions you have. We'll be in touch. All you need to do this week is the introduction and review the syllabus. Um, and that is it for now. I look forward to being back with you next week.